Spectrum cable box. In today's video, you are going to learn how to set up and connect Spectrum cable box to TV. So let's get started. In step number 1, connect your coaxial cable. Screw the coaxial cable into the wall outlet, then connect the other end to cable in on your cable box. In step number 2, connect HDMI cable from HDMI out port on cable box to any HDMI port on your TV. After that, plug power cord into cable box, then into electrical outlet. After that, set TV to correct input. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where you connected the cable box. Now you should see the Spectrum activation screen. If not, double check all connections and power. So for service activation on their website, you will need your account information and cable box serial number. The cable box serial number will be available at the Spectrum cable box itself in the form of a sticker. After that, call Spectrum service or alternative activation method if you find any error in it. Now, for troubleshooting, check all cable connections and reset the cable box. Contact Spectrum support if you still found issues or persistent issues or additional help. Now consider Spectrum streaming options, more flexible, lower cost, no contracts. That's all. That's how you will be able to set up and connect Spectrum cable box to TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.